Hey folks, Dylan Peterson with Tech Ease here in Minong, Wisconsin, and today I'm going to show you a feature of Windows 10 that I don't see a lot of people use very well, called multiple desktops. Now, let's just jump right in to show you how to get there. Down in the lower left, you'll see this Task View button. You can click on that, or you can hold the Windows key on your keyboard and hit the Tab button for a keyboard shortcut. This will bring you here, and you can see all of the open windows I have on Desktop 1. Over here, you'll see Desktop 2. And there'll be a different window open in it. You can make more desktops as you want to by simply clicking up here, and as you can see, you can make as many as you would like. Now to move between them, you can click on the various desktops. Now you can see that in Desktop 2 there is not a window open, whereas in Desktop 1 there is. The other way to move between them is to hold the Windows key and the Control key and to use your arrow buttons. So now I can move between all of these different desktops very quickly. You can also hold your Windows key and the Tab button, or click the Task View button again to come back to Desktop 1. And if I want to, say I want to move my calendar, I use Woven here as a calendar, and I can move that over to Desktop 2 by simply clicking and dragging. And now if I go to Desktop 2, Woven will be right there. Some programs you can open in various desktops. Other times when you open a program, it's going to take you back to the desktop where you originally opened it. So that would be a really good use to drag that program over to the appropriate desktop at that time if you can't open a second instance of it. At the moment, these desktops are not individually customizable. So for example, I can't go to Desktop 2 and have different shortcuts and different backgrounds and different screensavers on each individual desktop. There are third-party applications that can do that, none of which that I've played with myself very much, so I can't really recommend any of them to you, unfortunately. Now, what is this useful for? This is useful for if I have, say I have multiple projects and I want to have my main windows here, like Todoist, my Task Manager, Biscuit, Evernote, etc. All of the normal programs that I use, I can keep open on my first desktop. Now that's a lot of windows to juggle around with, and if I want to say write an article or make a video or do all these things, I have to juggle all of these open windows. So rather than do that, why don't I just kick over to a clean slate? Then I can open windows as I need to and do whatever I need to do and quickly move back and forth between. Another use for this is, say I'm working at a desk and I need to be able to switch back and forth between a project that I'm working on or software that I need to use when I'm on a call with a customer calling in. So now I can set up my project on one desktop, set up my software that I need to access for during calls on another desktop, and very easily and quickly switch back and forth without having to, again, juggle windows and log into websites and do whatever I need to do to use these various apps. Another really good use for this is if you're working on a laptop or a single monitor. I use a multiple monitor system. It works for me really well on my desktop, but when I'm on my laptop, I find myself juggling a lot of windows and trying to mess around with a lot of things. This can really simplify that entire process for you. So I just thought I'd show you guys. Hope you like it. Let me know if I can add anything or clarify anything with this in the comments. And yeah, let me know what else you guys would want to see me cover on the channel. I like to do little short videos like this, and I'm trying to learn and play, so let's see what I can do. Thanks very much, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.